Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dresses. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also, so that you can find all new video notifications. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. Wearing a crochet dress can offer several benefits, both in terms of comfort and style. Here are some reasons why you might choose to wear a crochet dress. The first and the main one is breathability. Crochet fabric is typically made from open, airy pattern, which makes it highly breathable and great for weather. Lightweight. Most crochet dresses are light and easy to wear, perfect for summer or any warm day when you don't want something heavy. Unique texture. Intricate texture pattern in crochet make the dress stand out and give it a distinct handcrafted appeal. Customizable. Crochet dresses can be made in various colors, styles and patterns, so you can tailor one to your exact taste or preferences. Timeless style. Crochet has a vintage and bohemian charm, offering a timeless aesthetic that goes out of style. Eco-friendly. If made from natural fibers like cotton or linens, crochet dress can be more eco-friendly than synthetic alternatives, contributing to sustainable fashion. Comfortable fit. The stretch of crochet allows for a more flexible fit, adapting to your body shape and providing comfort without feeling too tight or restrictive. Versatility. Crochet dresses can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for casual outing, beach days, or more formal events when paired with accessories. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like. Thank you very much for watching our videos.